The GWR 1076 class locomotive originated in the late 1860s and early 1870s as a common freight class for the Great Western Railway, GWR. Developed from earlier designs, these steam locomotives were characterized by their simple, robust construction and relatively low speed capabilities. Notable innovations included the use of a leading axle with a driving axletree, which provided improved stability on heavy freight trains, and a boiler design that allowed for increased steam production. The GWR 1076 class was often used on long-distance freight routes, including the notable Bristol to Penzance line, where its reliability and durability proved essential for hauling heavy goods over challenging terrain. While not particularly influential in locomotive design, the class played an important role in supporting the GWR's extensive freight operations throughout its operational life.